Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to use secret conversation on Messenger. All we have to do is to launch our Messenger application. Let's say I'm going to tap on this person. And as you can see, we turned on disappearing messages. And in order for us to do that, we are going to tap on the names. And as you can see, I don't have the option to use secret conversation, but I do have the option for disappearing messages. But it do vary since some of us are going to see the option of secret conversation while others like us are seeing disappearing messages. And as you see, I've already set the disappearing messages to 24 hours. And after going back, any message that we're going to be sending to this person, since we don't, let's say we don't want to leave the message there for so long, we can actually try that option, which is the disappearing messages. In which it will delete that message or the messages that we've been sending to this person within the next 24 hours. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.